everyone, today we're here at Makeup Miracle and with me I have Kenny.
Hi everyone, nice to meet you.
Okay, so today Kenny will be transferring half of my face and the other half will be done by myself.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll not have two different looks. Alright, so I'm gonna try my very best to match up to you.
Of course.
Okay, we're gonna go straight into this. Okay, so we'll be doing a Korean oppa look today.
Yep.
And Kenny, guide us through what should we do first.
First of all, we need to sanitize first.
Oh,
so
okay.
basically, I will just spray out all alcohol product. Make sure it's clean. During this time. Okay. So the first step will be your skin prep. I will use like a toner. Okay. Have you heard of this before? Do you use toner?
Yes, I do. I have a pretty good skin regimen.
Okay. Okay.
I feel like you're finding hard to believe.
I wanted to say I can tell, but so basically I just like dabbing motion, so to make it absorb faster.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, instead of just like rubbing it up or left and right like this. So and then some face oil to keep your face moisture. All right. So basically I just warm it up. So make sure you're gonna do all the step right. Yeah. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
All right, basically I'll just slowly put it on, dabbing. A lot of you might think that, oh, skin prep before makeup, maybe just some moisturizer or primer will do. Actually, no. If you prep your skin good, right, trust me, I swear, your makeup gonna look good, long lasting, natural. I'm gonna put on some eye cream in it, underneath there, because this is one of the, sign to show your age or something like this.
Oh,
yeah,
right.
so a good eye cream is good. And then you could also apply like the side of the nose area here. This is the magic. We're going to put on the tone up cream. Okay, how are we going to do it? We just apply a little bit. So first of all, I'm going to do like correct it first. So I need to even it up. I will use, because yours is, the Chinese here is not really like a red color. So I will try to use some corrector to correct it and even your under eye as well. So tone up, okay, you can see the color shades here that I've done. And then after that, I can move on to your base. That's the challenging part, really. All right, so basically, I'm just gonna use cushion on your face area. And then the eyebrow. So basically, I just fill up a little bit. Okay, and now we just move on to the eyeshadow part.
Okay.
So I'll just put on some shades on your eye. So what I'm doing right now is basically I'm creating one toning for Howard's eye, but not too much on the like eyeshadow, not like a smoky eye like that. So basically like a daily kind of looks, make his eyes looks more sunken in. Okay, and then sometimes if you think that your face looks a little bit pale and you want to add on some coral shades of colors, okay, you can use a fluffy brush like this, blend it, okay, and then just brush it. Yeah, some coral shades of colors to brighten up, something like this kind of shades color. Okay, now you know what? You just do what I did on the left-hand side. Is it okay?
Okay. How is it?
The audience can speak, or you have to comment below down there, or does he look like new K-pop star, or someone wanna be a Korean artist or something. So if you like it, comment below, and if you don't, speak the truth. It's okay. See how he looks like. Does he really fit being a Korean artist or what? I'm not sure. This one I'll just leave it to you.
So yeah, comment below if you think I could join in a K-pop group. Hopefully I can. Kenny's like.
Okay.
So I thank you all so much for watching this. We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Best.
Yes, thank you so much, Kenny.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Bye,
Thank you.
everyone.
See you.
Bye.